Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 74. Start. Dear sirs, since you have expressed a desire to know something of our silk blouses and dresses, we take the liberty of inviting you to visit our offices and sales rooms at 65 Worth Street, in this city, full stop. We shall be pleased to show you samples of our styles for this season, full stop. Our designs avoid all extremes in styles without any loss of charm, full stop. Already record sales are reported by the jobbers, full stop. We have sent our catalog to you by parcel post today, full stop. You will note that retail dealers are supplied at prices that make a strong appeal to them, full stop. Yours truly,